It's your girl Sarah. I know it's been a while without getting back to you. In today's video we are going to, it is a continuation of the Sezibwa Falls video. So today we are going to experience nature at the Sezibwa. We are going to do rock hiking and bamboo hiking. So guys, stay tuned and see the nature of Uganda. Come one, come all to Uganda and experience the beautiful nature. So guys, these are the bamboos here. I like bamboos. I like bamboos, and they used to beat us with these bamboos, the bamboo sticks when we were in primary. They used to beat us with them. They could pay me. Hey. So if I see bamboos, I respect them, guys. They are there, over there. So that is one of the shrines. It is one of the shrines. Yeah, I was scared.
A warm blanket. Because those sprays you see reach this side in the night.
Oh, Mama, we've got the right word. So that I was saying about the water from the shower. Part of the hospitality here, we have a campsite. So, in that case, what is this? This is for what?
Volleyball.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, Sarah, bye. We even have the barbecue thing over here.
Even people come here. I tell what is this? The bamboos are here. You don't have bamboo trees. So guys, we have even the bamboo forest over here. So, restrooms. Oh,
I think that as I said, the sites that are going up. So I was telling her, this is the restrooms.
They're not functional.
So they also pay wound for them.
No. Once you visit Sezibwa Falls,
So guys, this is the restaurant I was telling you about. Yes, she's an African village. So is this your method that she got done? Ah. Sarah, do you know what my famous of today, right? So guys, we have bamboo here. This is, we have been told that this is the green bamboo, the smaller one, and this is the yellow bamboo and the bigger one, eh? Okay, and we have another type of bamboo which some people get something food. Some tribe of people, they eat it, but I've never tasted it. And that type of sauce is called malewa, a malewa.
can use it as a fence at home. You can make photo frames from bamboo. You can make a flute for music. So bamboo has many uses. You just have to be creative. Different people use it for different.
And more so they used to use it as sticks when we are in primary.
Yes,
I'll never forget that. And they pain a lot.
They are used to enforce discipline.
The African way. On the bam bam.
Be careful.
Yeah, I am. So guys, this is us walking in the bamboo. Hey, they call it bamboo.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. The secret start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
So who planted this bamboo? Are the people who planted it, or it is natural, it grew by itself?
Bamboo is not indigenous to Uganda, so it was just introduced.
Oh.
It was planted.
From which country?
Bamboo comes from Asia, very common in China.
In China, yes, I normally see Chinese videos where they use bamboo to. Nze nga nakulira ku kiddima munnange. So guys, when you're walking here, you have to watch your steps because there are a lot of cut bamboos down and they are sharp. So they have told us to be careful. I think you see. I think you can see. So guys, come this side and you experience nature, the beautiful nature of Uganda. This is why Uganda is called the Pearl of Africa, guys. This is one of the reasons as to why Uganda is called the Pearl of Africa.
Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know.
kulagenda just